In this video, we are going to be analysing Bed Bath & Beyond, ticker BBY. So to get straight into it, I do want to note some news that did come out over the weekend. Its CFO sadly did commit suicide, and this is over news, or believed to be over the news, that Bed Bath & Beyond, including himself, were getting investigated on whether the retailer was operating a pump and dump scheme. So this is just one thing of caution if you are looking to be buying Bed Bath & Beyond. But onto our support and resistance levels. What are going to be key resistance levels if we continue to the upside? So if we are able to start pushing upwards, we do have our resistance at $12.75 and $14. But do note, what we tend to see with these kind of stocks is you get the large push up, the original pump, obviously you dump off, and then you usually get like a dead cat bounce, kind of just a pullback. And that is where you usually see it push to its closest deviations, and in this case that was around $13 to $14, which we saw here and then continued to sell off. So seeing this, we are more likely to continue down, so when we're paying over the support levels, definitely be paying attention to that. But anyway, if you do think it's going to go higher, we will give you further off resistance levels, and that would be $18.30, $20, and then pushing past there, $24, $25.50, and final levels at $30 and $31.50. Now, more importantly, onto the support levels, what are we paying attention to? So we can see at $7 is our statistical mean on the 4 hour, as well as $8, which is now kind of a resistance, is also our statistical mean. But what this does tell us is really within the ranges of $7 to $8, we don't want to be buying this stock, because this is where we expect the stock to reverse to, this area here, and that is where it's reversed to. When we were making these analysis a week, 2, even 3 weeks back, you will see this is a level we kept saying it will reverse to, because this is using standard deviation. This is where we always expect it to reverse to. But now it's within this area where we really want it to either break to the upside or downside before taking a trade, because then we can get a clearer sense of direction. So if we're able to break this, then we do have at least standard deviation buy levels at 210 and 150. Obviously very far off from where we are now, so we may not be able to use those. So we would be paying attention to that 52-week low at $4.40. But what we can also do is go onto a smaller term time frame, and so we can get some support levels at this. So 570 would be a level, as well as at 150, which we've already stated. So what this does tell us, really, if we break below this $7 statistical mean level, then really our first buy zone would be 570, and where if you were looking to take Bed Bath & Beyond long, would be a lower risk area to be taking the stock long. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the breakdown. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.